In this video, you'll learn how to record invoices as paid in QuickBooks Online the right way. By the end, you'll understand how to properly apply payments so your accounts receivable stays accurate and your financial reports reflect real cash flow. First, once you're in QuickBooks Online, head to the left navigation and select Sales. From there, open the Invoices tab. This tab lists all your invoices, including their status and balance due, so it's the perfect place to update payments. Find the invoice you've been paid for, then choose Receive Payment. This opens a payment window that lets you apply money to that specific invoice. Take a moment here to enter the details carefully. Confirm the customer and the outstanding amount. Set the payment date to the day you actually receive the money, not the day you're entering it. Choose the payment method such as cash, check, credit card, or bank transfer, and add a reference note if you have one, like a check number or transaction ID. In the Deposit To field, pick where this money should go. Many businesses use undeposited funds when they plan to group multiple payments into a single bank deposit later. If the money hit the bank on its own, you can choose the specific bank account instead. If you accept partial payments, enter the amount received. QuickBooks will keep the remaining balance open. If the customer has existing credits, you can apply them here so the amount due updates correctly. Before you finalize, glance at the amount applied to ensure it matches the payment and that the invoice you intend to clear is checked. You can add a memo or attach a receipt image for your records, which helps with audits and future questions. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. QuickBooks marks the invoice accordingly, paid if it's fully covered, or partially paid if there's a remaining balance, and updates your accounts receivable. To double-check, return to the Invoices tab and look at the status column. You should see the change reflected immediately. Later, when your bank feed brings in the deposit, you can match it to this recorded payment, keeping your books tidy and avoiding duplicates. That's how you record invoices as paid in QuickBooks Online quickly and accurately.